great day, guys. Good morning to everybody. Here we are in Punta Cana. We are in that beautiful resort here, the beach, and it's called Riu Bambu. And it's one of the many resorts that we have here in that gorgeous island of Punta Cana. Look at that. I'm here in Dominican Republic enjoying my day, and this is one of the beautiful sceneries you will see once you walk out here. I love it. I'm looking forward to do a lot of things today. We're gonna go and eat, have some breakfast. I kind of just got up, so I need some good, nice Dominican coffee. We're gonna start with the coffee. I'm gonna go take you to see some of those breakfast offers they offer us here. So let's go, guys, and get to eat first. Guys, so right here is the Espresso Bar and the cappuccino. So I'm gonna start off with a nice, very nice, actually, like a Colombian style espresso, and it's very famous actually here. So I'm gonna have a nice espresso, strong, to get me tuned for the day. Guys, enjoying my espresso in that little cafe here before I get to my breakfast. Very nice, very deep. It's actually a very good espresso, as good as you can get. Very creamy, very nice, and this is very close to the one you get in Italy. You can tell when espresso is very nice. Look at espressos, the cream is wonderful. It's very nice. That's a beautiful creamy espresso. Right now, guys, mask comes on because I'm going to the restaurant to eat my breakfast, and as you see here, every restaurant has sanitizer station. So I'm going to get myself some sanitizer here.
Hola, buenos días.
Automatic. Thank you. Technology. So the thing is working automatically. I'm trying to push it. So I got my hands sanitized. I'm nice and clean. We're ready to dig in. Let's go inside and dig in some nice breakfast here. So now we're checking the temperature, so that's a nice safety procedure, guys, and checking everybody's temperature. Good?
Yes.
See?
Sí.
Gracias.
Okay.
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna get my mask on. It's very noisy inside here in the food area. There's tons of stations. There's bacon item, there's sweets, desserts, omelet station, sausages, everything you can think of. I won't be able to speak loud enough inside because it's so noisy, but the camera will do the work. And when it comes to food, you know what to do. Just take a look with me and see. I'm gonna pick some bits and pieces what I like. And please take a look at this fruit display. Wonderful banana, mangoes, pineapple, everything you can think of with the tropical here Punta Cana, beautiful fruits. Have a look at that and let's go and check it out. So I'm getting some salami, guys. Poquito, please. I'm getting a bit of a cold touch station here, so the cold touch station, gracias. And cheese. I'm getting some of this nice, like a Swiss cheese. Perfecto, gracias, senor. So I got myself some of the cheeses, and I'm gonna go over there and I'm gonna try some of the hot stuff. Let's go over here. Gracias. So I'm getting a little bit of bacon. And perfecto. And poquito. I'm getting some sausage. Just a little bit of each, and this American bacon for you. And this is Dominican sausage. Perfecto. And dos fuego, please. And I'm getting 2 eggs also. Uno. One over easy. Uno. One over easy egg, 1 fried eggs. Uno this. And 1 over easy here. And sunny side up. Perfecto. Gracias, señor. Muchas gracias. Gracias.
Dominican Republic is amazing. Dominican is very good.
These guys are very friendly, they're very cool. We love these guys. They are good chefs. I'm a good customer here. I'll come in the second day. Great. Muchas gracias. Adios, guys. So let's get to eat this wonderful food here. Look at this. So many food, so much varieties. You can't go wrong here in Dominican Republic. So please don't eat for a week before you come because you're gonna be pigging out here. I promise you that. Let's get to the other station, the omelet station, and prepare one more omelet to go with that. Like that's not enough. And don't forget, we have tons of fruits. We have a lot of things going on. Let's move on. Selection. I picked my selection. I got ham, onion, whatever you choose. You choose in the omelet, and then the chef will cook it for you. Perfect. Only uno. Only uno. Gracias. Here also, guys, I got some of the beautiful pastries, and I'm walking this way. Alright guys, so let's go dig inside this beautiful omelet and put some bacon on the top to top it up. Let's cut it and see what's happening here. Oh, look at that cheese. Nice, baby. Look at that. That looks awesome, and it doesn't have any salt, doesn't have any pepper, so that's why I backed myself up with the Tabasco. My coffee's coming here. Gracias, senora. I'm getting my coffee also, guys, here, so the coffee is poured nice and fresh. And we're gonna dig in. Gracias, senora. Poquito más, por favor. And I just want a little bit more coffee because I just have that morning thing, the morning crave for a coffee, you know. Gracias. Perfect. Bueno. Gracias. No, nothing. Just negro, nothing. No sugar. Not sugar. Nothing. Just like this. Pure black coffee is the best. Cheers to you guys. Very nice black coffee, strong, nice and deep. That's how I like it. And here they drink it with milk a lot. Now they're not surprised why I have it black, because I want my coffee as a coffee. Nice deep black coffee. Yeah, perfecto. Delicioso. Delicioso.
Delicioso.
Yes.
Muy bueno.
And now, guys, back to my omelet here. And that's a wonderful omelet. And let's put a bit of bacon in here to maximize this flavor. So much food here, you can you get crazy there. Very delicious, very nice. Now have a look at this thing here. I don't know what they call that, but it's something filled with meat, I think it looks like. So yes, it does have like a little ham here. Wonderful cheese and ham. Now look at the inside. It's a cheesy and it's a ham. Very nice looking. Let's see how it tastes like. That's a quesadilla, I guess. Yeah, this does look like a quesadilla, mini quesadilla, but they make a mass production, so it kind of burns a little bit. But it adds to the character and it tastes so good to anyone. No complaining, wonderful. And let's try, the next bite would be the little mini quiche. Let's see, it looks so nice, so fluffy, look at that. It looks very golden from the outside and very, very milky and softer from the inside. And they told me it's made out of cream and fresh eggs. Let's have a look and try it. Very nice, soft, fluffy, plain egg, nothing wrong with that. Wonderful bite, great breakfast. Now, I put this in the side. Let me take a sip of my coffee to get tuned even further. And if you want to try that, I just got that And I'm gonna give it to some of my friends. I'm not gonna eat that, but you can see his eggs again, so repeat itself. But I'm just showing you the varieties you can have. You have sunny side up, you have fried egg here, you have ham, sausage, you have some salami and some more bacon. Alright guys, I changed my mind actually. Looking at these sausages and looking at this salami, I must try that actually. I was gonna leave it to my friends, all of it, but guess what? I'm gonna just take a bite of the salami and compare it to our salami in the state, the Italian salami. How is that? Very nice, a little oily for my liking, but the taste is very good, very strong flavor, and it's very nice actually. I like it. Not bad at all, but you need some bread to go with that. A little bit of that ham. Mild, it's kind of like it's not like the regular ham, it's kind of a mixture between ham and bologna. But it does look good, and it tastes very mild. Nothing wrong with that. Let's get to that sausage. This is what I want to try actually. I got a couple of those sausages. They are the same variety. And let's try a little bite of it. I'm gonna go nice and easy first and see if I like it. Actually very delicious. Kind of spicy, not hot though, but tons of flavor. It's like a Portuguese chorizos. It's very, very nice actually. I like it a lot. And it's got like a little bit of a fat inside, which is the sausage is all about. And it's kind of like a very, very nice crust here from the outside, which is beautiful. Actually, it's very, very nice. This is great flavor. I like it a lot. So I'm glad I tried that. I was gonna miss out about this guy. Or I suggest get a little bit of everything, but not too much, so we don't waste too much food. Get a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and try and make up your mind. So the next day when you come back, you know what's your favorite, so you're gonna make an agenda what I wanna eat for that day. Another one over there, and let's have a look at this guy here, which I am gonna show you also. I'm gonna take a bite of that. It's like a pancake kind of thing, so that will go very well with the coffee. So if you have a little bit of that pancake and also have like something like a fried donut, and I'm not sure what it's called again, they usually eat it with chocolate. I think it looks like a choritos, yes, and it's like the Dominican fried kind of like a donutish kind of thing, like a very simple thing. And let's take a taste of that. Very nice. It's like a hot donut, very wonderful. I like that choritos, beautiful. I'm liking that actually. That will go good with some chocolate, but I don't want to mess myself up with so much flavor and chocolate and sweets and fruits, so I'm gonna cut down a little bit in the sugar, but it tastes wonderful. And here is like a very nice fluffy pancake type thing. I don't know, it's arepa or something like that. And the good thing about it, I don't know many names about it. I wasn't a big fan of the actual like Dominican food until I came here and I started to eat it, and I'm getting to warm up and we're getting to know one another, so we're getting comfortable, we're getting connection together. I'm liking this food actually so far. Very nice, fluffy, soft pancake, very succulent. It just goes right deep inside, warm you up very nicely with that beautiful, delicious Dominican coffee. And they said Dominican coffee is a must, you should have it, and it's wonderful. And let's move this on here, and we get to the last part of this party here. Let's get this party started. Now, let's get back to the fruit. We have one more big, humongous platter of fruits. Have a look at this. Look at this great looking platter, and I cannot wait to try this paella. Yummy. So I'm gonna try this papaya. Oh my god, this papaya looks so ripe. Have a look here how juicy that is. Oh my god, that's so delicious. Let me try that. Beautiful, very nice, very good flavor. If I wasn't doing this video and I'm here for my own, I would just live on these fruits every day, all day. Wonderful flavor. Great bite of the papaya. Got the mangoes, very nice also. I got the pineapple, and let me tell you, this tropical fruit here is so wonderful. Much better than we have in the States because of the weather. The weather here is nice and warm, sunny all year round. So you can imagine how tasty the fruits will be. You taste a real pineapple. I would like to have some pina colada with that. That would be great. Very nice. The watermelon, a little bite of that. Let me take a sneak of this watermelon. And wash my mouth with some coffee so I can get the advantage of these flavors. And everybody's kind of started to move on. I took a little time here to talk as I was moving. People get to business. Behind me, they go into the pools, they go into the beach, they're doing their activities. It's a fun thing going along. It's a very beautiful atmosphere. Very nice bite. I love it a lot. Everything is wonderful, but I'm full, and I'm gonna put this here. And let's summarize everything here. Was great experience. The breakfast is a wonderful thing, and I love it a lot. All right, guys. Oh my God, I had so much food. I'm so stuffed. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to burn these calories with a nice swim in the pool, maybe the beach, maybe a bit of both. So I suggest when you want to enjoy yourself and you're stressed about everything going on, too hard work here in the States, we work a lot. So wherever you are, what part of the world you're from, I know you have some pressure, some stress working every day. I suggest you come here to the Dominican Republic. They didn't pay me for that. I'm just saying my experience. This is my first time to the Caribbean, and hopefully will not be the last. I enjoyed that video so much as I enjoyed your company, guys, and it's been a while. I'm glad I'm back to talk to you. Please don't forget to talk to me. How are you gonna talk to me? By giving me some comments in the bottom of the video. Don't be lazy and just watch the video and say, oh, nice. No, I wanna see you guys hit that subscribe and like button. And tell me, even if you don't like it, I don't mind at all. I'm open-minded. I want suggestions. I wanna you guys tell me, what do you want me to do next for you? I have some great ideas, and also I wanna share it with yours. Wonderful day here from the Dominican Republic. Cheers, everybody. Adios.